Hold on to your circuits, because something absolutely huge just dropped in the world of AI and semiconductors. AMD, a titan in the chip industry, has made a monumental acquisition that could completely redefine the future of artificial intelligence. They've acquired Taalas, a startup pioneering a groundbreaking technology, etching AI models directly into silicon. This isn't just about faster processors. It's about fundamentally changing how AI operates at the hardware level. And it's a move that should make everyone, especially NVIDIA, sit up and pay attention. For years, the race in AI has been about bigger, faster GPUs and more efficient software algorithms, but Taalas brings a truly disruptive concept to the table. Instead of running a software model on a generic chip architecture, Taalas designs hardware where the AI model is the hardware. Imagine an AI's brain not just being programmed onto a chip, but literally baked into its physical structure. This innovative approach leverages analog computing principles for AI inference, moving away from the traditional digital binary operations for certain types of computations. So, what does etching models in silicon actually mean? Think of it like this. Current AI inference often involves constantly moving data between memory and processing units, which consumes significant power and time. Taalas's technology aims to minimize this data movement by storing the AI model's parameters directly within non-volatile memory elements on the chip. When you run an inference task, the computation happens in place, at the memory site itself, reducing latency and drastically improving energy efficiency. This is a game changer for inference performance, the act of an AI model making predictions or decisions based on new data. Why is inference so critical? Because it's everywhere. From your smartphone's facial recognition to autonomous vehicles making split-second decisions. From real-time analytics in data centers to medical imaging interpretation, inference is the heartbeat of practical AI applications. Traditional digital chips, while incredibly powerful, still face limitations in power consumption and speed when performing continuous, high-volume inference tasks. Taalas's analog-based, in-memory computing approach promises to shatter these barriers. For AMD, this acquisition is nothing short of a strategic masterstroke. They've been aggressively challenging NVIDIA in the AI accelerator market, and while their MI series GPUs are formidable, NVIDIA still holds a dominant lead. Taalas gives AMD a unique, potentially insurmountable advantage. It's not just about incrementally improving existing architectures. It's about introducing a paradigm shift that could allow AMD to leapfrog current limitations and offer unmatched performance per watt for AI inference workloads. This could be AMD's secret weapon in the escalating AI arms race. What are the broader implications? First, think about edge AI. Devices like smart sensors, drones, and wearable tech, often constrained by power and size, could see a quantum leap in their AI capabilities. Imagine a drone processing complex visual data in real time with minimal power. Or a smartphone running sophisticated AI models locally without relying on the cloud. Second, in data centers, where power consumption is a constant battle, Taalas's tech could lead to significantly greener and more efficient AI operations, enabling larger, more complex models to run at unprecedented speeds. This opens up entirely new frontiers for AI applications previously limited by latency or power budgets. Of course, like any disruptive technology, there will be challenges. Integrating Taalas's specialized hardware with AMD's broader ecosystem, developing robust software tools, and scaling manufacturing will require significant investment and expertise. However, AMD clearly sees the immense long-term potential. This isn't just an acquisition of a company. It's an investment in a future where AI is not only intelligent but also profoundly efficient and ubiquitous. Powered by silicon designed from the ground up to embody its intelligence. This move by AMD isn't just big news for the semiconductor industry. It's a critical inflection point for the entire field of artificial intelligence. It signals a future where hardware and AI models become inseparable, unlocking capabilities we can only begin to imagine. What do you think about this acquisition? Could this be the tipping point for AMD against NVIDIA? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown insightful, please hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology.